You've learned one way to find. For this video, I'll be showing you how to find databases on the library's website. When I talk about a database, I mean an organized online system that has information about many different topics. You'll probably use a database for a school project at some point. If you want more information about what a database is, watch our video, Databases versus Websites. Before we go looking for databases, I want to make sure you're ready. If you want to log on to a database in the library's website, you're going to need a few things. Internet access, a device that can get you on the internet, your library card, and your PIN, which is your password. If you need help getting any of these things, contact the library. All right, now we can get started. I'm going to show you 2 ways to find databases. But for both ways, you'll first have to be on the library's website. You can see that I'm already there. I'm at hclib.org. All right, back to the homepage. When you're on the homepage of the library's website, you're going to find the menu item Browse and click on that. There are lots of choices on this menu, but the one we want is the first one, Online Resources. Click on that. On this page, we're seeing all of Hennepin County Library's online resources. That's a lot. You could look through this whole list if you want, but a faster way to find helpful databases would be to use this Filter by Category option on the right here. Right now, the page is showing all categories. Let's open the menu. The most helpful category for finding databases for school is probably going to be homework. These are in alphabetical order, so I'll find homework and click on that. Now we can see a smaller number of online resources listed, and you can choose which one will be a good start for researching your project. Each resource has a description, so use those to get you started. Great work! You've learned one way to find databases on the library's website. Next, I'm going to quickly show you a second way to look for a database or an online resource. This method of finding a database requires you to know the name of the database you're looking for. Maybe your teacher or a librarian recommended one to you. Maybe you were using one that worked well and you want to get back to it. For this second way of finding databases, it might be helpful to go back to the homepage. If you ever want to get back to the homepage of the library website, just click on the logo in the top left-hand corner. I'm going to do that now. In the middle of this page, we have our search bar. I'm going to select the Website tab because I want to look for resources located in the library's website instead of the library's online catalog. Those 2 things are similar, but different. If you want to learn more about finding your way around the library's online catalog, watch the video Online Catalog 101. If you know the name of the resource, you can start typing it in the search bar. You can see that as I'm typing, suggested search terms are popping up. These are all things that are found on the website. I'm interested in the resource American Indian Experience. If I click on that, the rest of the search terms fill in. I still have to click the search button to make it search though. And ta-da! There's the database I'm looking for at the top of the search results list. You can see that this database is mentioned in some other places on the website, but the description tells me this search result is the one I'm looking for. If I click on that, I'm taken to this page, which gives me the option to connect. If you're ready to log in, don't forget to have your library card and PIN ready. Now you know 2 ways to find databases in the library's website. If you're still wondering what I'm talking about when I talk about databases, watch other videos in our Databasics series. If you still have questions, you can always contact the library. Thanks for watching.